One of the smartest time-saving features on the Optimount tray is our pre-cut knockouts. They're solid enough to hold firm during installation and provide mechanical protection, but designed to pop out cleanly with pliers. No drilling, no hole saws, and no swarf left on the roof. Just add a 25mm bush for some extra protection and you're done. And for even more flexibility, we've added tool access holes every 20mm along both the sides and the base of the tray. These small openings let you use a knockout punch with your impact drill exactly where you need it. No pilot hole required, no guesswork. You're never locked into any fixed positions, tight spaces, tricky runs. You've got options. That means faster installs, cleaner holes, and a safer job site every time. It's smart, it's simple, and it's only from SolarMG.